So how many followers do you have on your Phantom wallet? That's the question a lot of people are asking right now because the Phantom Wallet airdrop had just kicked off, and one of the criteria is to get followers. So before I answer that question, let's get to the basics first. So first of all, you have to update your Phantom Wallet. If you haven't, then follow this video to the end. I'll show you everything you need to do for this airdrop to qualify for this airdrop and prepare for this airdrop. First things first, let's update the Phantom Wallet. So you have to head over to your Play Store. I haven't updated mine yet, so just go ahead and click update and update your Phantom wallet. After you have updated your Phantom wallet, the next process follows. So this is how you know your Phantom wallet is updated. You will see open Phantom wallet and not update. So let's go ahead and click open Phantom wallet. This will take us back to the Phantom Wallet app. So once you have done updating your Phantom Wallet, what you have to do next is to click on the profile icon, the rocket stop, that's the profile icon um on the top left corner. So once you click it, you will see this place. Then you will see on the right view profile. So go ahead and click view profile. Then you see edit profile. So currently now I don't have any followers. You understand? So I'm doing this from basics. I'm setting this from basics. So you have to go and follow me as well. That DHANI001. You also have to search for this and follow me. So how do you set up your Phantom wallet and how do you get followers? So if you want to get followers or search for followers, you go to this search icon on the top right. Once you click once you see this top this search bar, so how you go about it is by inputting the at, then you search specific name you want to follow. So for instance, if you want to follow me, just have to search for Danny 001 and I'll come out. Basically, you will follow me. So if you have other people you want to follow, you have to you have to search for their names. So you can see my name is out now. So you just click and you follow the person. So let me click and show you another one. Let me check for this guy. Stick to. So click at click through and you search. The person you're searching for, the name will come out. The just only thing you have to do is to follow the person. And if you follow the followed person will follow you back. That's how you get followers. So everybody that follows me, I'm following the person back immediately. So you just have to go to the search bar there, search icon there, and type DHANI001. And once you click this and follow me, I'm following you back instantly. I'm following you back instantly. So go ahead and get started immediately. And for the rest of the airdrop, the updates will be dropped as it drops from the community or from the team. You understand? So once any new update from the team, make sure to come back to this channel and you must see the update for the next phase of the airdrop. So if you haven't liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe and help someone get this airdrop criteria met. So let's go.